Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. And alamin din natin kung ano yung mga posibleng advices, messages, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, basta mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang. Okay? And ang tarot na gagamitin natin is a tarot of opposition. So, magbabasa tayo ng reverse up. Pwedeng upright, pwedeng in reverse. Okay? So, depende po kung ano yung lalabas ng mga cards. And ang energies na lalabas dito, pwede ay feminine, pwede ding masculine. Okay? Lahat po ng gender ay welcome po sa ating channel. Babae, lalaki, and LGBT man. Okay? And pasensya na Pisces kung meron po kayo naririnig ng mga background noises po. Okay? So, ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Queen of Cups in reverse. Okay. Ace of Swords in reverse. Four of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Oh, wow. And Justice. Okay. That's nice. Bottom of the deck is the Strength in upright. Okay. So, ang unang lumabas is Queen of Cups. Okay, so pwedeng ikaw to Pisces or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na ganito, okay? Nakikita niyo Queen of Cups in reverse. Inuuna mo yung sarili mo. Inuuna mong punuin yung cup mo, inuuna mong punuin yung sarili mo before you give to other people. And it's a good thing Pisces, okay? It's really a good thing na unahin mo muna yung sarili or pwedeng meron ka ng napagdaanan na kung saan nasasaktan ka. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong Ace of Swords in reverse and yung kamay mismo alam mo yung kamay dito, nakahawak mismo siya sa sword. Okay? And for sure, masakit to. So, pwedeng this is a life experience and this is the main reason. This is pwedeng one of the reason or main reason kung bakit natutunan mong unahin yung sarili mo. Natutunan mong mahalin unang-una yung sarili mo before you give to other people. Okay, Pisces? And sobrang ganda nun. It's a good thing. As two thumbs up ako no na, alam mo yun, before you give to other people, Pisces, unahin mo munang punuin yung cup mo. Okay? Pag puno ka na, pag marami ka ng ipon, pwedeng you can share to other people. Okay? And, pwedeng ito ay life experience and this is your you know, yung parang naging ganito ka because of what happened on your past, okay? But eto na, dito na tayo magsisimula yung mga magagandang cards, okay? So there's a Four of Cups and Four of Wands. So pwedeng there's a 4-4 Pisces, pwedeng nakakakita ka ng angel number na 4-4, okay? So there's an investment. There is someone na bigla ako naisip yung word na parang naghahanda. Okay, there's something na pinaghahandaan. Pwedeng ikaw to Pisces, lalo na there's an occasion right here. Okay, so pwedeng ito ay ngayong darating na Pasko. Okay, darating na New Year. Okay, there's someone. It's either you Pisces or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na parang sa nararamdaman ko nag-iipon siya or he or she's trying to you know, to save something for this wonderful, beautiful celebrations. Okay? So, merong paghahanda, merong pag-i-invest, sa nararamdaman ko, merong connection sa alahas. Okay? Pwedeng kwintas, pwede ding ano ba to? Parang plato. Okay? Or malalaking coin. Pwede ding sing-sing kasi parang meron sing-sing dito. Okay, pwede merong mga alahas or whatever. Pwede ding financial, pera, and eto na, dito na papasok itong magandang celebration. Okay, so there's a beautiful, wonderful, happy celebration na darating for you, Pisces. It's either this is a surprise or pwedeng kayo mismo yung parang naghahanda. Okay? This is the perfect time for you to give other people. There is something na parang share your blessing. Okay? Na after mong punuin yung sarili mo, I mean, after mong punuin yung emotional, yung financial needs mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Kasi ang dami mong natutunan on your past. This is the perfect time, especially this, this Pasko, this Christmas na sharing the blessings to other people, okay? So, this is the perfect time for you to share, okay, Pisces? And yung pagbibigay mo nito is pantay, genuine, alam mo yun, yung parang bukal sa puso, yung pagbibigay mo sa mga taong lalo na sa mga nangangailangan or sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. Okay, so merong paghahanda, merong pag-iipon, merong pag-prepare sa kailangang pag-ipunan for this special occasion. Okay, and four of wands also represent something as proposal or as marriage or celebrations, happiness, inuman, wedding, birthday, or pwede din Christmas. O, inuulit ko lang, Christmas, pwede din, or New Year. Okay? So, it's either ikaw yung naghahanda, Pisces, or isa ka sa mga naghahanda, okay? Pero nevertheless, kahit ano man yun, maganda pa rin yung intention ng kung ano man yung pinaghahandaan nyo, lalo na this holiday season, okay? And as I said kanina, it's either this is a surprise or kung hindi naman, pwedeng someone na, alam mo yun, hindi pa sinasabi, okay? Kasi the strength in upright kasi represents something as controlling the situation, okay? Kinokontrol, it's either you control yourself before mo sabihin sa ibang tao, okay? Or this person is kinokontrol niya yung sarili niya na hindi mo nasabihin sa'yo, okay? Pero once na dumating itong maganda, masayang selebrasyon, dito na niya sasabihin or ibibigay sa'yo yung kung ano man yung pinaghahandaan niya. And yung pagbigay niya sa'yo, Pisces, is genuine, okay? Punong-puno ng pagmamahal, punong-puno ng kasiyahan. Genuine yung pagbigay, genuine yung pag-share, okay? So, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa family, kasi meron tayo dito 4 of Wands, pwede din meron connection sa love, kasi 4 of Wands represents something as celebration, marriage, okay, pwede din. Or kung hindi naman, pwede ito ay sa trabaho, kasi meron tayo dito 4 of Pentacles, savings, money, okay. So, kung ano man tong pinaghahandaan, it's either unexpected man to or expected nyo na, okay? There's something na control mo muna yung sarili mo, okay? Control the situation para hindi masira tong 4 of Wands, okay? And ang dami mong natutunan because of this Ace of Swords in reverse. And that is the right time, Pisces, for you to share your blessings to other people, lalong-lalo na sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong nangangailangan, okay? So, pwede ito ay merong connection sa love, pwede ito ay merong connection sa family, pwede ito ay merong connection sa gift giving, okay, trabaho, pwede din, kumpanya, okay. So, kahit anuman, kahit anumang estado, aspects in life, Pisces, take nyo lang po basta mag-resonate. Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino, or ano yung konektado sa reading natin. Okay. Okay, sobrang dami naman ito. Pero, basahin natin. Connection. Okay. Mayaman. Ooh, connection and mayaman. Wow. Okay, salo-salo. Yes, there's a salo-salo, Pisces. Short hair. Pwede ikaw to. Pwede you're dealing with someone na short hair. Letter P. Meron tayo dito initial na letter P. Straight hair, short hair, straight hair. Anak. Pwedeng meron ka ng anak, Pisces. Or pwedeng ikaw yung anak, take nyo lang po basta mag-resonate. City, syudad, photos, wow, motor, magulang, okay, meron tayo dito magulang, anak, so, pwedeng ito ay family, as I said kanina, friend, meron pa tahimik, new person, okay, Trabaho, yes, as I said kanina, pwede meron din connection sa trabaho. X, oh, so pwede ito si X, ito yung si Ace of Swords na parang naging reason kung bakit inuuna mo na yung sarili mo ngayon, Pisces. Okay? And meron pa tayo dito, mabait and pet lover. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong magulang, anak, mayaman, connection, city, salo-salo, motor, trabaho, friend, tahimik, mabait, pet lover, new person, photos, short hair, straight hair, X, and there's a letter P na initials. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!